Hi, it's born to be a florist. We're gonna start to do the Christmas table decoration. What I'm gonna use with the clear tray, oasis, and a candle. Okay, and I use this plastic oasis candle holder. Okay, and then I use with the long stem candle, and I use the gold in the center bit as a big Christmassy. And then you see, stick on there together first in here, and then just on here. And what today I'm going to use is a Gloriosa exotic, that beautiful one here. So, and again, my favorite, I use this rustic green color of Hydrangea, and this in English is a full moon. However, the description will be below for the Latin name, English name of the flowers or the stuff that I have been used. Follow the detail of description as below of the video. And this is Scots pie again, and then I will use the blue pie as well as a Christmas, can't be live without it, and a little bit touch of eucalyptus. Let me start it. Right, okay. That's it, there you go. Hey, that's done. So, hope you guys like it. Don't forget all the description and everything what I have been used today for this arrangement underneath of the video. And also, please, if you like it, like and share and subscribe. Have a good Christmas, guys. Bye.